You can see the lines all the way down the street. I feel sorry for these son of a bitches out there. What's up guys, Greeny, and today I'm heading over to immigration for try 2 to get my O visa. Before I left for America, I went and tried to get an OA visa, and they wanted my insurance, and I was gonna give them some insurance that I was planning on getting it. But then they told me, well, since you're leaving the country, you should be able to come back into the country and get the O visa, and then you won't need insurance. So OA visa, when you renew in Thailand, they wanted insurance. But like I said, I was going home to America, coming back, they said come back and get the O visa. So that's what I'm doing today. And I will attach this sheet and we'll see how it goes today. But what they say I need is the letter from the bank saying how much money I have in my bank account. I'm gonna head over to my bank and pick that up. I have to make a copy of my bank book, take that in too. I'll do that at the bank. They'll make a copy and stamp it for me. What else do I need? I need some pictures and some proof of where I'm living. It says rental agreement, whatever. I own the condo. Hopefully that works. It's 2,000 baht now. I need copies of my passport pages. You know, the little card they give you when you come in, the entry card, all that type of stuff. I had to fill out the TM-87. So there's a TM-86 when you're renewing or changing your visa. The TM-87 is when you just come in exempt, not on a visa. So if I would have came in on the tourist visa, which is like a 60-day visa, I'd have to fill out the TM-86. Since I just came in on the exemption, the 30-day exemption, you fill out the TM-87. I don't know why there's a difference in that. But yeah, so also they want to see proof that the currency you have in your bank account came from outside Thailand. I have what I have for that, the best I have. Hopefully they accept it, but I'll tell you about that later. Let's head over to the bank and get my statement, and then head over to immigration and see what happens today. You know, a lot of people say, oh, you don't need an agent. You got everything you need. You got the money in the bank. Just go do it. All right, guys. So I went and got my letter from the bank stating my balance, and we're going to head over to immigration. We're still waiting. It's been about 10 minutes. There's a line there and a line here. I'm not even sure if I'm in the right line. Crazy. Okay, so after I waited in that long line, I got inside. Luckily, once I got inside, I was able to go right into the room, number 7 desk. And I had mostly everything, but they want a letter from my jurisdiction office from my condo saying that I actually live in my condo, even though she just registered me to get the TM whatever the other day. I have to get a letter, I guess it's going to be in Thai, from her saying that I actually live there, that I didn't buy it and renting it to somebody else, that I actually live there. It doesn't matter if I own it, I have to show that I live there. So, and then they want 2 copies of everything and attach the picture, everything. She said she wants it organized. And so, oh, and then the form I used for the TM-87 is the one that's online, but they give you a nice cleaner looking one. That's all disheveled and disorganized, the one online. And they give me a much neater one, and she wants me to fill that one out and make a copy. So I'll be back tomorrow morning. Well, I'm back in line, and longer than yesterday. I'm here 15 minutes before they open, 8:15. See how long it takes. So yeah, the line's way back there, and I'm in this line. There's the other line over there that wraps around. I just picked this one because this is where I came yesterday, and I know there's not too many people waiting for the one-year visa. All right, so I just got done at immigration, and I'll tell you, the big trick is to have all your documents ready and in order and have the right documents. But that's the trick, is you got to have the documents that they want, because they're not the same ones on the list. Actually, one of them that is on the list is when you show your funds, you have to show proof that they originated from another country. They never asked for that. Wasn't on the list is that like they wanted my deed for my condo. They wanted my sales receipt type thing, and I did just find that. They wanted a letter from my jurisdiction office showing that I actually live in the condo that I own. So just got done. They gave me like a piece of paper and stapled it in my passport and said come back on the 28th, which is 2 weeks, for 14 days. I paid. All right, guys, it's been 2 weeks since I applied for my O visa. Heading back there with my little piece of paper that says to come back today, and we'll see if it's accepted. If not, it'll be strike 3, and you know what that means? I'm out. My thing expires in a couple of days, so where's Greeny gonna go if this is, where should I go, babe? Back to Turkey or go to maybe Cambodia? I don't know. I don't think I'm going back to America, at least until next summer, so we're heading back to the Jomtien immigration office. The last 2 times I've been there, it's been crazy busy. Now it was the week after a holiday, but so I'm getting there pretty early today. It's early in the morning. They don't open for about a half an hour, so we'll see where I am in line. Today's the date they told me to come and get my visa, and the gate's shut and they're closed today. Come back tomorrow. So we'll try to get them tomorrow. Will that be counted strike 4, strike 3? I don't know. Today's the date they told me to come back. It's stamped in my passport. So try again tomorrow. Okay, so I just did some investigating, and today is an eastern, like Chonburi, eastern part of Thailand regional holiday. That's why immigration is closed today. Which is weird because I was there 2 weeks ago and they stamped my passport. They put a little stamp to come back on this date, today. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, today. I probably won't ask them, well, why'd you tell me to come on the holiday? Like, tomorrow will be trip number 4 to immigration. Hopefully 4 is a charm. But anyways, we just decided to come and get a little coffee. So yeah, just right on Jomtien Beach, right here. Tam, what does it say, babe? Tam coffee. And 5-5 decided to get up early with me today, so we go to immigration. We're gonna go to this other coffee shop that she likes, but they're not even open yet this early because we got done. So, anyways, nice place for coffee in the morning.
Big line, huh?
Well, today I showed up a half hour before they open, and let me show you the line. So now they even got a mobile toilet truck out front. The line's all the way down the street. Glad I got here a half hour early. I just have this little line in front, but yeah, this is my, whatever, 4th time. A lot of people are pissed off. It's crazy. So now they got the gate shut, and apparently the line is all the way down the street to the beach now. So now I see why they have the mobile bathroom truck out there. They were closed yesterday for some sort of holiday. I was here yesterday and they weren't open. But now they're just letting, maybe that's already like post-lunch there, post-11, and then everybody that's in is gonna get in before 11, hopefully. So the people out there are in the hot sun waiting, and they're not gonna get in until well after lunch. So some of them probably been out there 2 hours. That'd be another 5 hours. 3 hours in line, and I'm so close. The door's right there. We close for lunch at 11:30. It's 11 now. I think I'm gonna make it after 3 hours in line. Okay, so you can see the lines all the way down the street. And believe it or not, I just waited 3 hours in line. They took my passport and then told me to come back next Wednesday. I guess they're gonna put the sticker in it, I hope. Next Wednesday will be trip number 5 to immigration. But I feel sorry for these son of a bitches out there. They're waiting in the middle of the street in the sun. Like probably 6-8 hours they're gonna be waiting. Crazy. This will be the last time I ever don't just pay somebody. I mean, it was a simple process. It's just the waiting and waiting. Next time I'm paying somebody to do it. It's worth whatever it costs. Well, I'm back at immigration for the 5th or 6th time. It is January 5th, Wednesday. And I thought maybe after the new year, the lines would get a little shorter, but Nope. I got here about 50 minutes before they open, and there's still probably about 150 people in line in front of me, and my line's all the way back to the street. So I'm only here to just turn in a piece of paper and pick up my passport. Supposedly my passport should be ready today with my visa, but they never really clearly told me that. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on. I think a lot of these people are coming to do that 1 month extension. A lot of people are doing that, a 1 month COVID extension, but this is just insane to me. So I'll let you guys know what happens once I get in. I'm sure I got about another hour and a half, 2 hours in line here. And I'm not even that far, but. All right, just got out, got my passport back, and I got a visa, but not what I thought I was getting. I'm gonna get home, sit down, and talk to you guys about it. All right, I'm back from immigration, just got home. Having a little coffee from my favorite coffee shop over in Bonapur. But I got it. I got my visa. Here it is. And what was kind of surprising is that I applied for the O, retirement, non-O visa, and I thought it was for a year. It's for 90 days. So now I got to go back again. After 2 months, I can go back again. What the... Now, at least today, the line kind of moved fast. I mean, it was a much faster pace. The other day, I saw big groups of people going like around to the side of the building, and I think some sort of group thing was slowing everything up. I don't even know what's happening with that. But next time, I'm going to the service, either the one next to the place or whatever, and I'm taking my stuff in and I'm letting them deal with it because I'm not waiting in the lines anymore. It can't be too much for somebody to extend my non-O visa. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pay them to do it. I'm not waiting those lines anymore. Literally, I was probably inside of the place for maybe 10 minutes total out of like 5 or 6 trips, and I probably waited in line like over 8 hours. So hell no, I'm not doing that again. And I don't know, can you guys let me know, is that a usual thing, your first time doing the non-O from Thailand, that they only do for 3 months? Let me know, because I was talking to my insurance guy, the insurance guy that I deal with from Pacific Cross, Kevin, and he told me that they're looking hard at trying to figure out how to start implementing the procedure to mandate Thai insurance for people with the retirement O visas. See, I didn't have to show that. I didn't have to have insurance this time. But I just talked to him on the phone the other day, and he said, oh, no, it's going to happen. They're talking about ways to kind of slowly implement it into steps, but they want it to happen. So it's not going to just be for the OA visa when you get it from another country. But if anybody needs that insurance, in the description, I got an email link going to Kevin, and it's specific to we opened up a company for Phi to do something, so she'll get a little commission in her company if anybody signs up with Pacific Cross. So please support Phi so I don't have to. But anyways, that's the situation here in Thailand. I have a 3-month O visa, and it was a hell of a lot of work to get this thing. My suggestion is pay the money, have somebody else do it. I think I've learned my lesson. And next time I do it with the service, it'll be in a few months. I'll report back and let you guys know how that goes. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and help the algorithm out. Greeny out. Yeah.